Hello, good morning children. Today I am going to explain you about the solar system. Solar system. In the 6th class, geography first lesson, you have the earth in the solar system. So, about that I am going to teach you now. Solar system. What is a solar system? Solar system means the sun, 8 planets, asteroids and meteorites. Together it is called a the solar system. Okay, let's see now. This is sun. Okay, around the sun 8 planets will move. Let's see. 8 planets. What are the order of these planets? Let's see. First one is Mercury. The first planet which moves around the sun, it is Mercury. Mercury after in the second orbit. Okay, second orbit Venus. Here you may get a doubt what is an orbit. So these planets which they move in a fixed path. Okay, these paths, white lines are visible now. Okay, these paths are called as orbits. These are elongated paths. That means not in round shape, little bit elongated. That's why these are called orbits. Okay, these paths are called orbits. So these planets will move around on these fixed orbits. So let's come to the order of these planets. In the first position, Mercury will be there. Okay, Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. First one is Mercury. Second one is Venus. Venus. Okay, and the third one is our Earth. Okay, Earth. Why I have given this blue color? Because you know already the Earth is covered with 3/4 of the Earth is covered with water. That's why it seems like blue. Okay, so third one is Earth and the fourth one is Mars. Fourth one is Mars. Okay, and then next fifth one is Jupiter. Jupiter. Fifth one is Jupiter. Next Saturn. Next Uranus. And then Neptune. Okay, one more time see children. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So total 8 planets are revolving around the sun. Okay, 8 planets are revolving around the sun. Okay, now again come to Mercury. So Mercury, as it is very near to the sun, it takes 88 days for one revolution. That means to move around, to make a complete spin around the sun, this Mercury takes 88 days. The second one is Venus. So Venus takes 255 days to complete one rotation, one revolution around the sun. It takes 255 days. And our Earth, you know already, Earth takes 365 days. Okay, Earth takes 365 days. And then fourth one is Mars. Mars takes 687 days. This Mars takes 687 days. And then the fifth one is Jupiter. See, comparing to remaining all the planets, Jupiter is the largest planet. Jupiter is the largest planet. Okay. And the Mercury is the smallest planet. Jupiter is the biggest or largest planet and Mercury is the smallest planet. So this one, fifth one is Jupiter. Jupiter takes for one revolution 11 years it will take. How many years? 11 years it will take. And then next one is Saturn. Okay. Here Jupiter have, like our Earth, one moon is there now. Okay. Like that Jupiter is also having 16 moons. How many? 16 moons around the Jupiter. 16 moons. How our moon is visible to us, like that Jupiter is having 16 moons. And then next one is Saturn. So this Saturn, to complete one revolution around the sun, it takes 20 29 years. Saturn takes 29 years. And then the next one, seventh one is Uranus. Okay, Uranus. For this Uranus, to complete one revolution around the sun, it takes 84 years. How many years? 84 years. And then the last one is Neptune. Okay, Neptune. For one revolution, Neptune takes 164 years. Okay, 164 years. And the number of moons to Neptune are 8. Neptune is having 8 moons, and then Uranus is having 17 moons, and Saturn is having 18 moons. Okay, Saturn is having 18 moons, and then Jupiter is having 16 moons. Jupiter is having 16 moons. Okay, so here you see children, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These 4 are called as inner planets. Okay, these 4 are called inner planets, and these are very close to the sun, and all these 4 planets, they are made up of rocks. What are they? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Okay, and this Venus, as it is similar to our Earth, this Venus is called as Earth's twin. Earth's twin. Okay, because it is similar in features and in the size also. That's why Venus is called Earth's twin. Okay, so Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These are inner planets, and these are these are made up of rocks. And Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, these 4 planets are called outer planets. These 4 planets, they are called as outer planets, and they are very far to sun. Okay, they are very far to sun, and they are very huge in size, and at the same time they are filled with gases and liquids. What are the planets? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, these are outer planets, and they are very far and huge in size, and they are filled with gases and liquids. Inner planets, what are the inner planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and these are made up of rocks. And we can't go near to this Venus and Mercury, because as they are very close to sun, the sun's heat doesn't allow us to go near these planets. Okay, and then you have learned in the solar system, okay, asteroids and meteoroids. Asteroids means asteroids are the parts of a planet. Okay, parts of a planet when in the previous years or several years ago, if something explosion happened means, okay, then these planets will break into rock pieces. Those rocks, they will be in the universe only. They will be in the space only. Those parts are called as asteroids. Those parts are called as asteroids. The scientists believe that the asteroids are the parts of a planet which are formed by the explosion of the planet many years ago. Okay, many years ago. And then next one is asteroids and meteoroids. Meteoroids means the small pieces of rocks which move around the sun. Okay, which moves around the sun. Small pieces of rocks, whatever it may be, they move. They are small pieces. They are called meteoroids. Asteroids means the broken parts of these planets. Okay, and meteoroids means small rocks. And here inner planets and outer planets. In between, here asteroid belt is here. You see, asteroid belt is here. So this here many asteroids will be there. That's why we can find many asteroids here. That's why these inner planets, and that means Mars and Jupiter. In between these two orbits, Mars orbit and Jupiter orbit, scientists found many asteroids here. That's why this is called asteroid belt. Okay. I hope you understood, children. So, the sun, 8 planets, asteroids and meteoroids all together is called the solar system. So, I have made with color papers, and you can make with duff, marbles or thermocol balls. Okay, like that. This working model also you can do, children. I hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.